It should come as no surprise to you that gray is my favorite color. Look, it's in the title of the channel, okay? But just in general, the color is purely masculine. Think concrete or steel. It conveys a foundational strength or resolve. When it comes to clothing, gray is the quiet power color in a man's wardrobe. It doesn't shout. It doesn't beg for attention. Gray communicates calm, control, maturity, and confidence. Now, today, you and I are going to be breaking down how to style gray like a modern gentleman over 40, or a gray fox. From sharp monochromatic looks to bold color contrasts that bring life and intention to your wardrobe without ever trying too hard. Because the color gray doesn't hide you, I found. Gray frames you. Gray ages with you beautifully. It's sophisticated, refined, and subtle in a world that is often obsessed with loudness. Gray flatters the silver in your hair. It complements darker complexions. In fact, it pairs almost with every skin tone. Most importantly, gray reflects maturity. It tells the world, I don't need to compete. I'm already comfortable in who I am. Let's start with pure elegance, the monochrome gray outfit. Gray on gray on gray. Minimal, controlled, intentional. The secret? Contrast in both shade and texture. Try combinations like charcoal trousers, medium gray knit, light gray topcoat, or reverse it. Light gray trousers, deeper knit, dark coat. Mix textures, wool, twill, suede, knit. Gray, in this case, isn't a lack of color, it's mastery of tone. That is what's so great about monochrome outfits. It allows you to play around with differing tones or shades of that color to create contrast and interest. But in gray especially, this look whispers power. Look, gray and white is the cleanest pairing you can wear. It's crisp, effortless, refined. Example combinations: gray trousers and a white Oxford light gray knit, white jeans, gray cardigan and a white tee. White sharpens gray. It's quiet luxury in everyday form. Gray and black bring structure and edge. Needless to say, it's darker than with white, of course. And as such, it brings a level of gravitas into the outfit. Just look at the difference between these two looks. Which one would you take more seriously? Which one would you say is more formal? Now, you can make the argument that one may be considered more business appropriate, but that may mean more approachable. Now, look again and ask yourself, which one would you consider to have more weight? Which one would you say is more intimidating? This look is perfect for urban style and evening fits. Gray coat plus black turtleneck, black bomber plus gray jeans, gray hoodie plus tailored black overcoat. A modern, masculine contrast with none of the harshness of all black. Gray is a canvas. It supports color without competition. Does that make sense? There's no clash. These combinations are unbeatable for men over 40. Gray plus navy, classic, smart, timeless, able to be worn year-round. Navy blazer plus gray trousers. Gray turtleneck plus navy topcoat. Gray plus burgundy or wine. Elegant warmth, perfect for the fall season. Charcoal coat plus burgundy scarf. Gray knit plus burgundy chinos. Gray plus olive. Earthy, masculine, and underutilized. Be the first in your friend group to wear this combo and just wait for the compliments. Gray overshirt plus olive cargos. Olive bomber plus gray chinos. Gray plus camel. rich, gentlemanly, powerful. This is a real old money or quiet luxury combo right here. Camel top coat plus gray knit. Gray suit plus camel scarf. Gray anchors the warmth. It never competes. Okay, so this is where most men hesitate. You may be perhaps stretching the limits of your comfort zone here, but gray gives you permission to experiment tastefully, one bold accent at a time. Try pops of mustard yellow, royal blue, forest green, rust or burnt orange. Not head to toe, just accents with intention. Gray holds the frame. Color hits the note. With gray, texture becomes your luxury. Choose fabrics with character: flannel, cashmere, tweed, merino knit, suede. When your color palette is subtle, your texture does the talking. This is how a man over 40 dresses with depth. Gray isn't boring. Gray is confidence without the noise. It's the tone of calm strength and the uniform of men who don't need to shout to be seen. Dress in gray, not to blend in, but to stand above the chaos. This is the Gray Fox Mandem, where maturity meets style and presence. If this helped you elevate your wardrobe at all, join the Brotherhood and subscribe. Because style isn't loud. Confidence never needs to be.